Madam sir,
Please.
Yes, please.
yes sir. Good
Please sit down.
afternoon. Thank you, sir.
Are you relaxed?
Yes.
You are Bubun Sahoo, right?
Bubun sir.
Bubun.
Yes.
Bubun.
Bubun.
Yes.
B-U-B-U-N.
BUB.
Bubun is generally a nickname in our
Yes, sir,
area
it's a
culture,
nickname.
but it's a good name.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just going through your soft copy of bio with me, candidate information form. Just Bubun, if you feel like, just walk me through your journey from schooling in Keonjhar to applied geology at IIT ISM Dhanbad, then your job at ONGC, highlighting a key inflection point
Yes.
and where you decided that this is not for me, I should be a administrative officer.
Okay. Sir, I am Bubun Sahoo. I have completed my schooling from Joymangala Natural High School, Keonjhar. Then I did my intermediate in science from Fakirmon Junior College, Baleswar. After that, I have completed my graduation from Ravenshaw University, Cuttack. My subject was geology. Then I did my post graduation from IIT ISM Dhanbad. In that, there I got gold medalist. Then since 2018, I am working with ONGC as senior geologist. Then because of financial constraint, I choose this as my career in ONGC. But my incline was to join civil service. So
Your inclination was to join civil service.
yes, sir.
You
So you had
joined,
started preparing from college itself.
No, sir. College after
you joined ONGC in 2018.
yes, sir.
Now it is 2025.
Yes.
What is your salary?
Right now, last year I declared in Form 16 around 24 lakh.
24 lakh. How much you will get as a video?
So starting salary pay scale is 56,100, and right now my pay scale is around 76,000.
Video is class 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it's going to be a step down financially,
Yes, sir.
and you are still inclined for it.
So I think in that 7 years of my job, I fulfill all the whatever the basic necessities in my life. So I think further
Like-
the one
Like
home, and I also married. So I think in for the 30 years, money will not be a necessary thing. So I want to solve in different diversified field. I want to expose myself and learn a lot. So
are you sure?
yes,
Or there are some other motivations?
no sir, not that.
Why civil service? What unique value can a geoscientist bring to governance?
So in governance, so a geologist deal with various dimensions like remote sensing, mineral industry. So in civil service, like in Odisha is a mineral state. So I think that field I can contribute, and also all of us know that Odisha is prone to cyclone, and in cyclone assessment, remote sensing data is very useful. In that field, in cyclone vulnerability assessment map, remote sensing data study in this field, a geologist can a key figure. So I think in that field I can contribute myself.
What is, where are you posted actually?
So right now I'm in Uttarakhand, Dehradun.
Uttarakhand. There are well fields there or exploration?
Exploration. So that is a headquarter. So in all,
Dehradun is the headquarters,
yes,
right?
sir.
Any well field nearby?
Nearby is there no oil field.
Any exploration going on nearby?
No sir.
No scope of oil there?
No, sir. Uttarakhand is basically the headquarters. Sir.
Huh?
Headquarters.
How I know?
Yes, sir.
Dehradun.
Yes, sir. Dehradun.
What are you doing there? Dehradun?
Sir, I am posted
From 18 to you were
no
there?
sir. In 18 to 24, I am with ONGC Business Limited. After since 2024, I am transferred to the Research Institute of ONGC, where I am devote myself in research.
What is the responsibility of ONGC Business Limited?
So they are looking at the foreign assets and diversifying the interest of ONGC in the foreign fleet. So we are
Which oil fields in foreign countries? Can
so in
you specify?
Venezuela, Brazil,
Okay.
and also in Colombia, we have an asset which is producing around 20,000 barrel per day. And in Sudan also, we have a 25% joint venture project with the China.
What portion of India's requirement is met by ONGC?
Excuse me, sir. Please, sir, pardon. I can.
What percentage
Yes.
of India's oil requirement
Okay, sir.
is being currently met by ONGC?
Sir, out of 85% which are domestically produced, ONGC contributes 70% to the domestic need of India.
And say we require 100 liter
Yes, sir.
in the country. How much ONGC?
70 liter.
7 liter. Import? How much we are importing?
So we are importing importing, sir, 80%, 85%. From 100 liter, 85 liter we are importing. So out of 15 liter, ONGC contributing 10 liter. And 5 liter oil India.
85 liter, 85% we are importing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And now 16% of those 85% from Russia.
40%.
40%
Yes, sir.
of those 85%
Yes, sir.
from Russia. And balance from
Well, also, sir, Middle East countries.
which is the largest exporter of oil to India in the Middle East?
Sir, UAE,
Hmm?
sir, Qatar,
Qatar.
and also, sir, Iran also contributing.
Okay.
Before we go on, let me tell you your profile similarity with his.
Yes, sir.
He has also passed out from Revinsha. He has also done his geology masters from ISM Dhanbad, and he is also a geoscientist. So you are in for a very interesting half an hour.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
I also qualified civil services in 1989. UPSC. But I did not join. I joined Central Groundwater Board. Okay. I retired as a regional director just recently. Okay. Core responsibility. What core responsibility you handle at Dehradun?
Sir, in Dehradun, I am posted. I am in senior geologist. I am working with a regional project. Recently, we did a project in Ganga Valley Basin. We are finding the exploration opportunities there, and also we have find also.
In Odisha, ONGC office is there.
Yes, sir. So this is a licensing office.
No. We are exploring, na? In Pugari Gope area. What are you doing in Gope area?
So right now we don't have any block. Oil and is exploring.
Oil India is
Yes, sir.
exploring, not ONGC. Licensing office for what?
Sir, for the
Posting of favored candidates.
Yes, sir. Sir, that is under the Kolkata office. In there, for the medical, who are the retired person or any officer from Odisha, they can.
Mahanadi Delta. Why will not find oil in Mahanadi Delta if you go on drilling? Mahanadi Delta is alluvium, na?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Major problem is the maturity. So the sediments, whichever the kerosene are not matured yet. So we have encountered gas, but those are biogenic gas.
So after how many years likely oil would be formed here?
So that till that I can say.
Geological years, eh?
So how many years that will be?
Gondwana oil କୋଉଥିରେ ଅଛି କୋଉ ମାନେ କୋଉ ଏରିଆରେ ମିଳିଲା?
Mesozoic, sir.
Mesozoic କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ ସେଟା କନଭର୍ଟ ହେଲା ଅଏଲ କୁ?
Man, what is that 10 to the power? How many years? Sir,
in million year term, sir, exactly.
Mane padne.
Yes.
Okay.
I will like
ठीक है.
So what was your, you said, what was your duty? What is your present duty?
So regional study.
What region?
In different basins. So right now I am in frontier basin, the frontier basin is where the oil is not yet encountered. Only the potential is safe.
Where?
Like Ganga Valley, Vindhyan. In that area, I am right now
You
studying.
go to field?
Not yet.
What do you study?
In this scientific data, seismic log data. Yes, sir. So for the field study, there is other base group is there for the field.
It is alleged that ONGC people sell data to Reliance and get rich in the process. A log, overall log. Is it true?
So not true, sir. There's some persons who have done it.
They have been caught.
I don't no idea, sir. But ONGC is not responsible for that.
No way.
No way, sir.
How many rigs you have?
Sorry, sir. I can't tell.
You take from Reliance on hire, no? Some rigs, drilling rigs.
Sir, no idea, sir. I am right now in. I don't have an opportunity to get in the field person. So since 7 years, I am working in the lab, regional study.
This time OPSC real board is grilling in the optional subject.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you will have a better chance of doing well.
Sir.
That way we will ask you a lot of questions from geology.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Which state gives its name to a new age?
Geology types, sir. Meghalaya. Sir.
What was discovered there?
Meghalayan age, sir. In this.
What was discovered? Why that name was? Why it was given Meghalaya age?
Sorry, sir. Why I don't know, sir. But that was discovered in the
Holocene?
Holocene period.
Why? What was discovered? Why it is a beginning of some new era or end of a previous era? Why?
So that I will read it.
If you don't know, you will look into it.
Yes,
okay. There is evidence of climate change, sudden
Yes,
evidence of climate change. You will read it. I am not going to tell you all these things because you have lack of time.
Yes, sir. I will read about it.
You outline the mineral geological significance of Bodai Keonjhar belt for Odisha.
Yes, sir. So that is enriched in iron ore. It's a part of Singhbum area. So in Odisha is exporting to the foreign, and it's exporting in right now is rank 1 in the exporting sector of iron.
Only iron?
So iron, manganese. Yes, in
iron, manganese are invariably occur together, right?
Yes, sir.
Why?
So because of their
is it a hydrothermal deposit?
Hydrothermal deposits.
Geochemistry similarity or what? I do not know. You just need to know this.
So they are heavy. They are the high density minerals. They are first deposited in hydrogen solutions. That's why they are depositing together.
Okay. And what is your cricket? Okay.
Playing cricket.
When was cricket first introduced in the Olympics?
So not yet. It is introduced. It will be introduced in 2036.
36?
Yes, sir.
Or 28?
It was never introduced.
I think it was never introduced.
It was introduced first time in 1900.
Okay, sir.
Between some UK county and France county.
Okay, sir. I will send it.
Okay. Now 2028 Los
Angeles
Olympics.
They are lobbying for Kohli to play in that Olympics. So 36 is not the 28.
28.
3.
IIT, ISM, I also belong to. Now, how many hostels are there?
Sir, boys hostel around 5, and girls hostel 6, sir. In my period,
Okay.
I think in our 2018 there are also construction of building, lot of buildings for the hostels. So they may be converted into
That Emerald Hostel.
Emerald also.
Huh?
Yes, I am a part of that. In my second year, I was there.
Emerald Hostel.
Nostalgia for you.
How many students they are taking in now? MSc Tech is there?
Yes, sir.
How many students they are taking?
So in our period, there were 62 total strength is 62, 60 from India and 2 from Africa. And right now they decreased to around 52 or 53. Say.
Our time it was 20 only.
So playing cricket these days, you must be playing in those turfs, box cricket and stuff.
So blocks also in our colony there is a ground we used to play. Sir.
Okay. So what do you have to say about these increasingly commercialized space that children these days find? Even a 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 12-year-old child has to ask 200 rupees per hour to his for his parents to play cricket for an hour. So are we in a rat race for money that we are destroying childhoods? Is it the case?
So in the limited space, this culture is in the metro cities. In the limited space, there are places where the box cricket you have said that is playing. So I think, sir, that is
It's just the nature of metro cities
yes, sir,
and
nature of metro city.
land in metro areas.
Yes, sir. So in the if they get some time to play cricket and any other sports, so that may be, sir, justified.
And what about these betting apps and gambling sites that IPL glamorizes? Whatever views on them?
These also, sir, also regulated. Recently, the online gaming bill was passed by the parliament. In that bill, they were completely banned on the where is the real money is involved. Like, sir, Dream 11 right now, who is the main sponsor of Indian cricket team, and the upcoming series Asia Cup, where they're playing without any sponsor.
Okay.
So, sir, in my sense, the government should, sir, regulate rather than banning them. They should come up with some regulations and also some restrictions. So, because, sir, government is also getting huge revenue from them, and also people are also engaged in some sorts of employment. So that might be impacted. In long run, they and both government and the employee will impacted. I think that rather than complete banning, they should come up with strong regulation and restrictions so that they can be.
Because in the West, they bet on everything. They bet on just about anything in the West. Betting and gambling is totally legal, and that's a huge source of revenue for the government.
Yes.
So the taxes. So you're saying some sort of
Yes,
regulation should be there in India, but betting should be made legal.
Not legal, sir. Some restriction to that company.
To that company.
Yes,
Okay.
Sir. There may be, sir, some age bracket.
Okay.
Or any sorts of regulation should be there.
Okay.
But not complete ban should not be there.
Okay. Good. Cooking. Cooking also you like?
Yes, sir.
What kind of dishes?
So non-veg mostly, and sometimes baking also.
Baking and non-veg dishes. Okay.
Why do ores occur where they are?
Sorry, sir, pardon, sir.
Why do ores
Mineral ores.
where they are? Means what are controls of ore localization?
So basically, ores are found by hydrothermal solution or any magmatic liquids. If they find any leakages or any fractures, they can solidify there and form the ore assemblies.
What is partial melting?
So partial melting because of the change in temperature or any. So suppose there is a huge magma liquid is there, and there are different kinds of minerals. They have different kinds in different temperature they are solidifying. Suppose a mineral has temperature level is 1000. So in that temperature they will melt. Other minerals will not melt. So in that sense, a complete body or magma crystallized or melted in a partial way.
Does it have any significance in plate tectonics?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain?
So in suppose in a subducting two plate collide each other, one plate is subducting beneath another plate. Basically, the oceanic plate subducted beneath the continent.
Yes.
The continent, the oceanic plate, it is rich in volatiles. Because of the temperature, high temperature, they influx to the upper continental plate, and that decreases their uh, temperature and started the melting process.
Okay, I think you have the basic idea, but your communication needs to improve.
You have forgotten something.
Yeah, little bit revision and how to say these on words in the correct words.
Okay,
थोड़ा सा work on them. Okay.
Who said this? There are granites in granites.
Sorry, sir. I don't.
You understand what you meant by this? This is H.H. Red's statement. There are granites and granites. Can you explain this?
Sir, I will try if you.
Yes.
So I think, sir, there are different type of granite, S type, I type. So that's why maybe he said so.
You have to give. This was a 60-mark question in UPSC, long question in our time. There are granites and granites. Elucidate. This is very famous statement, H.H. Red's statement.
Sir, I will look into it.
Okay, there grill कर subject में बहुत grill करते तुम्हें भूल जीवनी.
Yes,
Unnecessary. You must have forgotten this thing, basic thing they are asking.
ONGC job you got through GATE exam?
Campus.
Campus placement. Okay.
You are also a geomorphologist, isn't it?
So I have studied geomorphology.
How a geomorphologist, or geologist, how your knowledge of geomorphology, let us put it this way, help in land use planning in Odisha?
Sir, in geomorphology can say where the downstream area, where the upstream area, or the drainage density of that area. In that way, they can use the land use. For example, if government is building a dam project, they can say where the dam should be placed so that they can accumulate more water. Where the particular location. In that way, they can plan it.
Only geomorphology is only about drainage or what?
So in drainage,
Not valley fill? Valley fill is not, doesn't come under geomorphology?
yes, sir.
Valley fill, we can we can make the policy that do not put this area under housing.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
In that way, sir. Suppose
Groundwater recharge will be diminished if you put this under housing and the area becomes concretized. What will happen? Okay?
subside, yes, sir.
What is itacolumite?
Yes, sir.
Itacolumite.
Itacolumite. Sorry, sir.
Have you heard about flexible sandstone?
Oh, yes, sir.
The sandstone
Which is flexible.
that is called itacolumite. Okay. Why they are flexible? Why sandstone is flexible?
Sir, that I don't know, sir.
Because of arrangement of grades actually. The grades, jigsaw type arrangement of grades, one fit into this honeycomb like, so it like sponge, it is flexible. You have forgotten.
No worries. You can just say I don't know, sir. I'm
Yes,
not.
I don't know, sir. I am in ONGC, so they may ask directly lot from ONGC. That way you may be lucky.
But you might get a lot of technical questions. Just keep
Yes, sir, I
this
will
in
be
mind.
noting.
You'll definitely get a lot of technical questions because geology has been your career. You have been a
People's general
geologist.
belief is if you drill deeper, we find more water.
Groundwater.
हाँ,
Okay.
जनरल बिलीव. अरे और खोलो यार इसको बढ़ाओ उसको कहते अरे और गहरा करो. How far you agree to this?
Same
Do you agree to this?
No, sir.
Why and why not?
Sir, because sir, in some areas there is a concept of pore water table. So in some areas we are getting water in shallow level because of the local water pool. But in geology it is called as pore water table. So because water table is flat, so if you are getting somewhere in 80 feet, in the next area that should be we should get in.
Why, like controls of ore localization, what are the controls of groundwater localization or groundwater movement? Why groundwater occurs where it is?
So groundwater occur because there is multiple factor. The permeability of that rock where it is found, and also the rainfed area or recharge area, and any
No,
conduit.
this is not, you are not. एक वाटर टेबल एक
Yes, sir.
which is dogwell zone data coach where hydrostatic pressure balances what? Atmospheric pressure. ठीक है डॉगवेल डेटा
That confined aquifer was.
कन्फाइंड नुए सेटा होची phreatic aquifer. This is called phreatic aquifer. Generally weather zone रे सेटा मिले weather zone रे find. But if you go deeper in the hard rock area, what happens? Where water comes in hard rock area?
In fractured.
Yes.
Fractured. If the rock is fractured, then we
You will get water. And if fractures are connected, fractures are not connected, you will not get water. That in Keonjhar, below 100 meter, there are virtually no
water
fractures.
fractures.
We have mapped the entire district. Below 100 meter, virtually 1 or 2 places we have got fractures, otherwise there is no fracture. So we will not get any water. Even if we drill 200 meter, 300 meter, 400 meter, we have drilled up to 600 meter. ठीक है এটা জানি কি জীব তাহলে প্রবলেম হবে
Shale gas. Why is it an environmental? What are the environmental issues associated with shale gas technology?
Environmental issues. So for the extraction of shale gas, lot of water required. So that is a cause of the major concern for the environment. And also right now, India don't have any technology for extraction of the shale gas.
What are the potential areas mapped in India for shale gas extraction?
For shale gas extraction, sir, sorry sir, I will look into it.
Yeah, there are 5 to 6 actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just look it up.
Okay, sir.
It has been released by the government itself, and they are already starting some pilot surveys and stuff for future.
Okay, sir.
So look it up. Okay.
Why do we hardly feel in devastating earthquake in Odisha?
So because in the seismic zonation map, Odisha is located in the zone 2. There is no tectonic plate boundary, so that's why no earthquake activity is there.
It is stable crater.
Stable crater, yes.
Use that word.
Yeah. Technically,
Odisha is telling it is in seismic zone 2, 3. Why it was put in the seismic zone 2 or 3?
Seismic.
Because it is stable crater. Unlike Nepal or Uttarakhand, where is Aravalli. Why Aravalli is stable whereas Himalayas are rising? The simple type question. You can say these things based on plate tectonics.
Yes.
Aravalli is stable crater.
Yes, sir.
But that is plate tectonics. Still, which plate is pushing against which plate?
India and Udyssa.
Eurasia, Europe plate.
Yes, sir.
So still kete mm ବର୍ଷକୁ ଯାଉଛି
6 millimeter per year.
6 millimeter. Alfred Wegener's idea of continental drift. Can you, what was his idea actually?
Sir, he accumulated a lot of evidences to conceptualize his hypothesis. First, sir, he found the jigsaw fit accumulation of the entire continent. Second, the glossopteris flora from the similar coastline of South America and Africa. The gold, which is occur in Brazil. The source is from. Sir, I look into it. And the similar appearance of mountain chain from North America to South America. That is also a method.
Can you give the worldwide equivalent of Gondwanas? What Talchi, India, it is called Talchi.
Yes, sir.
What is it called in Australia? What is it called in Antarctica? And what is it called in Thor? Give worldwide equivalent of Gondwanas. Briefly, tabular format, you should remember this. You might have forgotten this.
Sir, I forgot that.
अरे एग्जाम दे रहे हो एग्जाम तो पास किए हो जियोलॉजी रख के कौन पढ़थिला मेंस रे
Sir, एते डीपली बनता पड़तला माने क्लासिफिकेशन फोल्ड फॉल्ट तापरे व्हाई इफ फाउंड ए
वर्किंग ऑफ रिवर ग्लेशियर कौन पढ़थिला
सर जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी सेटा आसन
अच्छा
माने आ क्रिस्टल गार्नेट क्लास पड़तला तापरे कॉन्सेप्चुअल सर पड़तला कि यदि फेल्सपर हमें पाउछन गोटे रॉक रे तो तार सिग्निफिकेंस कोन
सिग्निफिकेंस
सर that is not transported to long field, so it is deposited where it is erode
in situ
deposits. ये सब सर ऊपर पड़ता है तो भीतर डीपली सर पढ़ना
एवडा एवडा इंटरव्यू रे एक्चुअली डीप पचारिया कथा न पचारचुंती
ओके सर आई विल रीड
के उटे जियोलॉजिस्ट पक्का जियोलॉजिस्ट बस जी बुझलो कि एवडा पचारचुंती हैरान करिया पई यू जस्ट do not get nervous. This is the part the question answer दे पालो नहीं. Do not get frustrated.
yes
ठीक है keep your calm. ठीक है
Okay, Bubun.
और कौन अच्छी बात है जियोलॉजिस्ट एग्जाम देना था
सर कैंपस है तो
देना
Data first interview of
तो brother in law भी brother in law भी से जियोलॉजिस्ट थिला एबे आईएएस आईएसएम हम बैच रे 10 ରୁ 8 पाइथि से बैच ना सुनथियो सबले 10 ରୁ 7 पाइथिलो ଆମେ 10 जन थिले ओडिया 7 जन पाइथिलु सिविल सर्विस क्रैक करथिलु
Odisha बहुत पिला जानते हैं
हां सर दैट हम बच्चे से अराउंड 30 प्लस थे
टॉपर है तो बैच रे
यस
gold medalist. Okay, Bubun. You can leave. Best of luck.
जस्ट बणाई के उंजर बेल्ट ऊपर ती पड़ी तो
ठीक है सर
ହେଲା କି उंजर सेठी करछ माइनिंग ऊपर पचारिबे मिनरल रिच बस के उंजर इज poor people inhabited by poor people rich district inhabited by poor people ହେଲା କି ଆଉ डीएम मिनरल डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनरल फंड केते किमती यूटिलाइजेशन करियो environment pollution hazards associated with mining why tribal people are opposing mining in their area like Koraput did bauxite mining routes वेदांत रे अपोजिट करनथले
नियम गिर केस
नियम सेवडा ठीक लेखि जीवो
ओके
या क्वेश्चन आछि पचारिबो चार्ट जीपीटी को केउंजर पुरु आपण केउंजर पुरु मते 5टा 10टा क्वेश्चन दियो ତାର ଆନ୍ସର କରିବ ତୁମ ମନରେ ଯେଟା ଆସୁଛି ସେଟା କରିବ
ये सब तरीके से स्टैंडर्ड ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତେଣୁ don't be afraid to use AI. In fact, ଆଚ୍ଛା ତୁମ ଜବ୍ ରେ କିଛି AI ୟୁଜ କରୁଛ ନା?
ହଁ ସାର୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛୁ।
କଣ
କରୁଛ?
ସାର୍
ଲେଟର ଲେଖିବାରେ
ପେଟ୍ରିଲ ଗୋଟେ ସଫ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛୁ କି ଧର 100ଟା ୱେଲ୍ ଅଛି ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବା ପାଇଁ 4-5ଟା ଷ୍ଟଡି କରି ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଉଛୁ ତ ସେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ଆଉ ରେଷ୍ଟ ୱେଲ୍ ଆପେ ଆପେ କରିଦେଉଛି।
ସେ କରିଦଉଛି। ନାଇସ୍।
କଷ୍ଟମ ଜିପିଟି ଭଳିଆ
କଷ୍ଟମ GPT ଭଳିଆ। ओके
ଆଉ ସେ ଯେ ଟାଇମ ଟେବଲ ଟା ଭୁଲ ତ ସରକାରରେ ତ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମାନେ କ୍ରସ୍ ଚେକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ ୱେଲ୍ ବିଟ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ଚେକ୍ କରୁଛୁ ବଟ୍
ଆରେ ସରକାରରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲୁ ନା ସରକାର ତୁ ଚାକିରି କିଏ ଦବ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ରେ ସେ ଟାଇମ ରେ ଏଠି କରିଦେଲ ନା ଆଉ ଜାଗା ଲଗେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଆସିକି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟ ମାନେ ଆରାମ
আর অলরেডି আরাম ଥିଲେ ଏବେ ଆହୁରି ଆରାମ
ଆହୁରି ଆରାମ ହେଇଗଲେ ଆଉ ସତ କି ନାଇଁ
ଆରାମ ସେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଅଲଗା କାମ
ଏଟା କହିବ ନା ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ମାନୁବାନି ହଁ ସାର୍
ନା ସାର୍
ହଁ ସାର୍
ହଁ ତୁମେ
ସେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ମଲ୍ଟିପୁଲ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ବି ଏବେ ଏତେ ଆସୋସିଏଟ କରାହଉଛି ମାନେ ଏଭ୍ରି ଅଲ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପ୍ରାୟ ଆସୁଛି।
ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଲିଭ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଏକା ଏବେ ଏଆଇ ଲେଖି ଦଉଥିବ ନାଇଁ କି ଖାଲି
ସାର୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ଆଉ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡୁନି ମାନେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ
ଇ ଅଫିସ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ଇ ଅଫିସ ନାହିଁ ଆମର ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ୱେବ୍ ବାଇସ୍ କରିକି ସେ ଆପ ସେ
ଖାଲି ଡେଟ୍ ଟୁ ଡେଟ୍
ହଁ
ପକେଇବ
ଡେଟ୍ ଟୁ ପକେଇ ଆପେ ଆପେ ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
ଠିକ ଠିକ
ଭଲ କରିବ ତମେ
ଭଲ କରିବ ବଢିଆ କରିବ
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ କରିବ।
ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଲକ୍
Yes,
God
thank you,
bless you
thank you, sir.
ठीक है